This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a Roku TV remote. Now this is very easy. The first thing you want to do is swipe down from the top and go to your internet right here and just hold down on it. And make sure you're connected to the same wireless internet as your Roku. If you're not, it's not going to be able to discover each other. So you won't be able to connect and use it as a remote. So make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi internet. Then go on over to the Google Play Store, type in Roku. And the remote app should open up. So let's go to Roku Remote right here. The first one right here, the Roku app official, install this. Now you don't have to sign in, you can just log in as guest and it should be easy to set this up. So we have this installing, and once we go to it now we can just open up and accept all the different permissions that pop up. And then we can go to continue, we can skip this if we want, skip this. Then we can go to continue as guest. Okay, now when the app is opened up, there should be an option to go to remote down here. And then wait for this and go to connect now. And then we can see the remote option. Let's go to allow, allow. Now if I look at my TV, I can see this is going up and down now with this remote. So you can just tap this, then you can go to the guide. And you can pick your different applications down here too. We got all these different shortcuts. We can search, back button, and then we have our different options. We can bring up the keyboard too if we need to type something in. So this could be quite useful. The voice option if we need to search for something with our voice. We can go to settings right here and look at the different options. We can go to a different remote style where we can swipe if we want. So very easy to use this. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.